Oh, my poor eyeballs.
Yeah.
They're like...
Blinded by the light.
It's not even the light. It's blinded by the pollen.
I'm blinded by the
I was
light.
outside this morning and I'm just like, oh. Okay, anyhow. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. As you saw by the title of the video, we are unbagging our Ipsy Glam bags. These are what we do pay for. They are profile based. You do get to customize one of the items in here, and I know my app actually was working for this pick, so that's exciting. Also, we forgot to say who we felt like won our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and 100% hands down, I feel like Haley came out ahead.
I feel like we tied, but I think she's saying that because if she didn't have the palette that I had, she would have thought I won. Anyways, she forgot to say welcome back to another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy,
Mother versus daughter. Ipsy Glam Bag.
Now that we have that out of the way.
Again, still rusty. Yeah. So anyways, make sure to check out our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging, unboxing, what have you. It's been a bit since we've been able to sit down and like film, so I'm excited to get to do it. Okay, anyways, I'll let you go ahead and start off. And we have to remember to pick who we think
won.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the whole purpose.
So my first item is this Farrah pressed powder brush. This is the 320F brush.
It looks like it would be nice under the eyes.
Yeah.
Because I use a lot of those kind.
Bake or something.
Yeah.
And it has a little brush guard.
It's pretty.
Which is great. Love the good brush guard. Yes.
Hold on, I want to check the card.
Oh, and the brush retails for $14.
So I actually do. Okay, so we got a card in this one.
Yes. And
it actually does have individually what I received in the bag. Now, for whatever reason, you don't get that in the $25 bag. I don't know.
This is what the bag looks like too. Forgot that.
Yeah.
We didn't show that.
We really are rusty. So my first item, I did get a 2-pack of the Cream Shop sheet masks. So, I mean, that's nice. I like to put these on, especially in the summertime, and do that jade roller. Ooh.
Just like that, guys.
Just like that. Okay, you?
My next item is this. Stop. I think I picked this. I don't remember. It is this Milk Makeup Work Lip and Cheek.
I love those.
Blush sticks.
Look, I've got 2 of them. And is that a full size?
Oh, no. This is not a full size. The full size are like chunky.
No, not anymore.
Really?
They're like this now. But there's a lot of stuff. See all the juice in there? There's a lot of it.
Juice?
Well, I don't know what else to call it.
Juice.
These are actually really good, guys. I know the Sephora sale, BIB sale's coming up.
I mean, there's a pretty decent amount in there.
That is full size.
I thought that they were huge. Do you remember? I have a highlight stick by them.
See right behind? Sitting right there?
Yes.
Yeah. But yeah.
Is that blur stick?
No, I think that's their highlighter. So, dang, Hale. Okay.
Right out the gate.
I'm not salty at all. Anyways, the next item is Silky, I think is what it's called. And this is a Repair Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. This is not the full-size version, obviously. But, I mean, it does appear that there's enough in there that I'm going to see if I like it or not. So, and I like deep conditioning masks because, like...
Hair or skin? There's plastic crap on there.
Oh, my bad. It's for your hair. Did I not say that?
I don't know. Well, I assumed because it's a deep conditioning mask.
Yeah.
So then I was like, maybe that means ultra moisturizing skin mask. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it's for your hair. I think I really did turn that ring light up really bright.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, let me fix that.
No, it's okay. It's already set. Okay. We've already dealt with it long enough. So my next item is the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara.
And I got that too, but this was my choice item.
Maybe this was my choice item too. I don't know. It was one of these two.
Well, I almost died. Sorry. That was like a...
Stop.
Sorry.
I have too much on my plate to be getting the Rona.
It is not. It was me choking on my Spicks. I don't know how to properly function as a human. But there is a dedicated little video coming up on the review, because when I did the dedicated unboxing, I told you guys I was going to put a clip in there. I did not because I got sick. So that is already done filmed. I just have to edit it.
Nice.
Yes.
Your turn.
Oh, okay. The next item I got, and I guess maybe this is a full size. It
tells you on here. Oh, wait, hold on. This is a deluxe sample. This on here says that this is a deluxe sample, too. And then my brush is full size because it's a brush.
Wow.
I got 2 full-size items in this.
Okay, braggy brag.
I'm just saying.
So this is We Are Fluid Browsy Brow Gel in Clear. And it does have a retail value of $12. And it does say that it is full size. So that's nice. I like tinted brow gels, but whatever.
This is
I'm a brat.
shave off eyeshadow and put it in there. My next item is the Elmen Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Ariel and Luna. Ooh, my sparkles. I love it. Can you guys see that?
Can I fix the light? They might be able to.
No.
Why? Look, I could have done it. I could have done it. I could have done it.
Shh. Just shh. See, that's what it looks like in silence when she's not blibber blobbering my ears away. Oh, my brain's jumbly now.
Oh. Anyways,
I'm not done yet. This is a deluxe sample and the full size retails for $42.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's expensive.
And they're so sparkly and pretty.
They are. The next item is the Sophia and Mabel I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. It says it's full size and has a retail value of $16.
So you just said that's full size?
That's what it's saying on here.
Yeah, see, so we both got 2 full size items. And you were over here at Miss Braggy Brag. This is my last item. This is the Melted Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, that's the only name of it. And this is also full size and it retails for $12. And it's coconut scented lip balm. I'm gonna put some on now.
Okay. I think you won.
Why? Because the Milk Makeup Stick?
Yeah. And then the mascara. And then that. And the eyeshadow. And, like, everything in your bag is awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ipsy. Always be doing me good.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
What's wrong?
Oh, it's a lip treatment. This isn't chapstick. It's gritty. It's disgusting.
Well, you're exfoliating now.
Yeah, but I have lipstick on.
Well, it looks smoother.
Swipe it on bare lips, applying lipstick, or mix it with lip colors to create a stain. Ugh.
It looks pretty, though.
Yeah, it doesn't feel nice. It's like little grits. You know, like when your skin is peeling on your lips and they go like, like a drier lipstick. It feels like that.
Yeah. Okay, well, I still think your bag won.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like my bag.
I would too. I mean, for $12, you can't beat it.
Yeah, because just this alone paid for the bag.
Yeah.
$12.
And I mean, I really like this. I just take my Luxie brush.
Oh, I just smear, brush it out.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Yeah. I do.
Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it enough to stick around, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check Haley's channel out, because she occasionally uploads videos. She's a busy girl, has a full-time job, has a bunch of side hustles, so she will just go over there and subscribe and turn on your notification bell.
Maybe one day I'll post. We'll see.
I have a second channel as well, Hot Miss Mama Vlogs, where I upload a lot of curvy girl plus size fashion hauls over there, so make sure to give me a check, follow, something over there. Sorry, my eyes, I just want to claw them out of my eyeballs right now. I'm just like... Anyways, and don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram, because we are so flipping close to 10K. It's like 400 away, and I'm
swipey
like,
uppy. She needs it, guys.
I want it.
Give her the swipey uppy.
Like, come on. Okay, I'm hopping off. We're hopping off. Until next time, as always, we hope you have
a wonderful,
beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye.